Every morning begins with a simple habit, brushing your teeth. But behind that small routine lies a remarkable journey of science, precision, and innovation. This is how toothpaste is made. It begins with carefully selected raw materials. Gentle abrasives such as calcium carbonate and hydrated silica are measured precisely. These ingredients help remove plaque and surface stains while protecting enamel. Next, humectants like glycerin and sorbitol are blended in. They prevent the paste from drying out and give it that smooth, glossy texture we recognize. Inside large stainless steel mixing tanks, powerful industrial mixers combine powders and liquids. Slowly, the formula transforms into a thick, uniform paste. Now comes the active ingredient, fluoride. Added in exact proportions, fluoride strengthens enamel and helps prevent cavities. Precision is critical here. Every batch is carefully controlled. Fresh mint flavors and cooling agents are introduced next. This is what gives toothpaste its refreshing taste and long-lasting freshness. Before packaging, the paste undergoes strict quality testing. Technicians analyze consistency, pH balance, and fluoride levels to ensure safety and effectiveness. Once approved, the toothpaste moves to the filling line. Soft laminated tubes are positioned upside down in metal holders. Filling nozzles insert into the open bottom of each tube. The paste is injected from the base upward, preventing air pockets and ensuring perfect density. As each tube fills, its flexible body gently expands. Immediately after filling, the open end is heat-sealed and crimped flat. This creates the airtight seal you see at the bottom of every tube. The tubes are then cleaned, capped, coated with batch numbers, and carefully packed into branded boxes. Finally, they are shipped to stores around the world, ready to become part of your daily routine.
Scanning batch C
From raw materials to the finished product,
for truck 3.
every step is guided
Pallet
by
loaded,
science,
clear to depart.
hygiene, and precision engineering. A simple tube, advanced manufacturing, a healthier smile.